I am Raghav Kumar and I am representing my team Quantum Leap. So imagine this, you are at the crowded station and your train is delayed again. Passengers are restless, families are missing connections. This isn't because train can't move faster, it's because our traffic system still depends largely on human intuitions. In a network that is more complex, here our team Quantum Leap came up with a solution: AI-powered traffic control system with maximum throughput. Our AI-powered traffic control is like giving state section controller a superpower. Real-time optimization at controllers' fingertips. Instead of reacting, they can now lead. This builds confidence that Indian Railway is ready for the future of Vande Bharat and bullet trains. From a technology perspective, we are building with this AI and machine learning, neural networks and reinforcement learning. For backend, we are using Node.js. For frontend, React Native and Material UI. For database and API, we are using PostgreSQL. Now, Maninder is holding the mic.
We'll talk about feasibility and mapping. Right. So, our solution is not only innovative, but it is also practical and ready for real-time implementation. Since Indian Railway has already the infrastructure, so we can seamlessly integrate our AI solution without any overhaul. So this makes it universal and adaptive for metros, bullet trains and express train networks as well. While right now we don't have any exact numbers, but our projections suggest a significant improvement in throughput and fuel efficiency, potentially leading to a return on investment with a reasonable time frame. We've also recognized the challenges that we are going to face with it, such as different time zones and also maintaining system reliability. To address this, we have incorporated a digital twin for a safe simulation for what if scenarios, heuristic-driven optimization for real-time responsiveness, and a human-centered interface for AI insights into actionable steps. Impacts and benefits. Okay. We know that the ultimate goal of any solution is to benefit and help the people of the country. We have used an intelligent co-pilot system which would reduce the cognitive load on operators and minimizing human error as well. This means that passengers will experience a more reliable and stress-free journey with better punctuality and reduced delays. Flow drive. Yes, sir. That will come later.
Now we will show a basic prototype of our app which is run on the section controller or the station master tab. As you know, railway station masters always have a tab on their place, right? A section controller has a dashboard on their screen. So basically we design app for that section controller and railway station masters tab. Let's see, this is a security purpose login page which have controller ID that IIT-CTC provide the controller, station masters and section controllers. This is a web app which runs on dashboard and a tablet. Now you will see the dashboard. This is very easy to understand dashboard which is AI integrated, minimum of backend but UI design. Now you see the signals are going live. Someone green, someone yellow, someone red. Now someone hold green, someone red, someone yellow. At the platform, as we know, every platform have a signal which does not automate yet. So we provide automations of the signal. If we provide automations of the signal, then we provide a platform of automation allocation. We provide automatic platform allocation, which delay the train time, reductions of delay. जिस वजह से train delay बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, because the train scheduling system is very complex on the controller section, which is not easy to understand. Let's see. Now scroll down. This is a throughput section, live throughput analysis. This is punctuality. Trains per hour, average speed, which is on live, platform usage. Scroll down. This is live train scheduling, which goes live. Delayed departure. Now you can see all platforms are available. Now after some time, trains reaching to the platform, this will automatically occupy. On the passenger capacity, this will show passenger capacity, and this will show train downtime, northern stations and central station, current stations of the train, and average speed also. Now other feature is AI recommendations. AI recommendations for that, because we are not completely reliable on AI. There is a system failure also. What if system failures? Then we play with the lots of people's safety, because lots of people suffer in the train. So we provide safety measures also. We not reliable completely on the AI. We provide what if simulation. That if we use AI, what if the scenarios? उससे क्या हो सकता है? अगर वो हम AI यूज करते हैं तो उससे क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ते हैं? अगर उसको नहीं यूज करते तो क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है? That's we provide. So let's see. This is reroute राजधानी एक्सप्रेस. अभी ये क्या कर रहा है कि राजधानी एक्सप्रेस जो है वो रीरूट मांग रही है. क्यों मांग रही है? क्योंकि ट्रैक नंबर 1 जो है वो एलोकेट हो चुका है किसी और ट्रेन को, राइट? That Rajdhani Express is providing the track number 1 is already occupied with some train, right? So it is now as I click the SF button, this message go to the station master dashboard tablet that you can provide another platform from the Rajdhani Express for the Rajdhani, because we know express trains have high priority on the railway stations. Local passenger trains doesn't have high priority; they have low priority. So you can see that some trains, local passenger trains, are stayed on the stations for crossing, and high-speed trains are crossed, but they reliable on that station. So we provide the automations for that. That trains are scheduling automatically, signaling automatically, platform allocation automatically. So this will easy to use and reliable and scalability. In future we can use this for metros, and we know that in future bullet trains are introduced in India. Vande Bharat are introduced. So these are the high-speed trains. These are the corridors which runs on the high-speed trains. So we provide automation. We need automation signaling. We need automation platform allocations for that. So this is what. Now next feature is live signaling. You can see that which train pass the signal and which are not. This is live signaling.